Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting wireless headphones to your Galaxy tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your tablet. In the connection settings, tap on Bluetooth. Now tap on the toggle to turn Bluetooth on if it's not on already. Once Bluetooth is on, you want to put your headphones into pairing mode. They should appear here under Available Devices. If they don't appear, after a minute you can try switching Bluetooth off and on again. Tap on the name of your headphones. You will now get a pop-up with a pairing request. Tap Pair. Your headphones will now be connected. The next time you connect them, you won't have to pair them, and they should just connect automatically when you turn them on if Bluetooth is switched on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Tab tips and tricks.